right by Velocity Lane. I'm here with Joe Potter from Vintage Underground. Joe, tell me a little bit about what we have going on here. I know I have this beautiful Ferrari right behind me, but tell me what Vintage Underground is.
We're located up in Eugene, Oregon, and really what we are is a collection of skills. We put this shop together with the intent of under one roof, all the skills that it takes to do this. Over the years, those skills have kind of scattered. They're dying out, and it was our intent to put them all in one place and preserve them, and actually pass them down to young technicians. So.
It's really about the labor of love and kind of turning cars into artwork. As we know, is really these cars are really pieces of artwork. So what you're doing is preserving them and moving them forward, which is the perfect platform for you to be here at Velocity Invitational. How has it been so far enjoying the event?
Awesome. I mean, it's an effort for us to get our message out and what we're trying to do. So events like this allow us to talk to folks face to face and really explain what we do and how we do it. You know, we're this is for fun. Anybody that's hiring us to do anything is hiring us for entertainment, for fun. These things are they're pieces of art. They're fun, and that's something the message we're trying to get out.
Awesome. Well, if you're down here in the pits, make sure you guys come over and check out all the crazy work that we have going on here at Vintage Underground. Thank you, Joe.
Thank you.